Paano malaman if income generating ang negosyo mo? Answer, gawa po kayo ng financial statements like income statement or statement of cash flow. Yan po ang gawin ninyo as business owner or entrepreneur para malaman nyo po magkano yung monthly income ninyo. Like, magkano ba yung income mo for the month of January, February, March, and so on and so forth. At the same time, yung expenses ninyo. And of course, your net income. So alam po yan ng mga accountants or accounting graduates like me. Yes, friends. Sad to say, yung ibang business owner, hindi alam ang pag-compute nito. So I suggest, hire kayo ng CPA po or accountant para sa recording ng business transaction ninyo. Kasi po, recording po ito daily ng cash inflow and cash outflow para makuha ninyo po ang net income ninyo monthly. Alright, good luck. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. God bless.